Hello guys, and welcome back again to Inday Momay, and today we are going to do another unboxing. Because with this thing still going on, we can't really help but order online. And the next thing that you'll know is that you will have a huge amount going on once you reach the checkout page. But if it makes you happy, go for it. No regrets. Hashtag self-care. We can't really help but get excited. We have something to look forward to when we order online. I really want to improve the comfortability when I am editing my vlogs. So before we start the unboxing, I want to thank my mom's friend for taking interest and purchasing when she saw this vlog. So she ordered exactly what I ordered. So she has the V8 sound card, the condenser mic, and also the exact headphones that I got from One Audio. So thank you very much and shout out to you. So this is how my old chair look like, and you can see the level of comfortability that comes with it. And we have the Winnie the Pooh mat. So actually this chair goes way back, and this is really sturdy. And you can see that there is only one rubber left at the sides, at the ends of the chair. This chair is already struggling, so it's time to replace you. So the new chair that I ordered is a gaming chair, which is worth ichimang 19,000 yen. The brand is Dowings gaming chair. Okay, so aside from this hole right here, there aren't any damages found. You can see how big this is. So it's this big. I was really shocked when this arrived because I didn't think that it would be this big and heavy. So it was difficult to transfer it from downstairs to my room. Some more details about this gaming chair is that this is color pink and it weighs 22.7 kilograms. Including the box makes it 23.7 kilograms. I canvassed the cheapest and the most stylish gaming chair available in Amazon, and this gaming chair suits to my taste. Let's unbox this. So cute. That's it, that's the brand. Alright, so there's a letter from Dowings. So they have the following colors available from Dowings, and this is what I ordered. This pink one. Okay, so here are all the parts of the gaming chair, including those two boxes there. And this is the back rest. This is the footrest, and this will be where I will sit. And then I have here the neck rest. This goes here, and then the backrest goes here. Okay, so we'll assemble this now.